Hello everyone, my name is Loveleen and in this video I'll be demonstrating task 3.1P. So the requirement of this task is, first of all we have to set up a 16-bit timer, and then we have to check if the timer has reached a certain count, and after that that count has to reset to 0. So this is my timer deepin CPP file. So first of all we are including the header file over here, and then we have this config timer simple function, and what it is doing is we are configuring the generic clock controller to enable the clock signal for TC3. So first of all we are disabling the timer, and then we are configuring it so that it can happen without any interference, and then we are setting the timer's mode to 16-bit, and then we are starting the timer by simply enabling it. After that, this is time to toggle method. It is quite straightforward. It is just checking the current count of the timer, and it will return true if the count has reached or exceeded the predefined value. And so this is basically, we'll be calling it in our main loop to determine when to toggle the LED. After that we have this reset timer function. So this is basically resetting the timer's count back to 0, and so we are basically using this after each toggle of the LED to start the process again. And then we have the get current count method. So basically we are just returning the current value of the timer's count register, and this is used for like debugging, and it helps us monitor how the timer processes over time. So now I'll be demonstrating my setup. Talking about the circuit, this is my LED and the anode is connected to the D2 of the nano, and the resistor is 220 ohms, which is also connected to ground. So now I'll just upload my code. And as you can see, the LED blinks with a gap of 10 milliseconds.